Have you towed a broken car? It's exhausting and often impossible without a winch. There are many products available to choose trailer winches, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best trailer winches from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Smittybilt X20 Gen 2 10K Waterproof Wireless Winch. The Smittybilt X20 Comp Synthetic Rope Winch is a versatile and robust product that offers a comprehensive package for efficient and reliable winching. This purchase comes complete with essential components including the winch itself, a hawse fairlead with a forged hook, all necessary power cables for vehicle connection, a rope sleeve for added protection, and a wireless remote for convenient operation. The technical specifications of this winch are also very impressive, featuring a 6.6 HP amphibious motor and a 3-stage planetary gear system. The stainless steel hardware ensures durability and longevity, while the dynamic braking system contributes to safe and controlled load handling. The winch also offers versatility with 2 solenoid mounting options, allowing you to optimize its placement according to your needs. Altogether, this winch offers a maximum pulling capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, making it possible to use it for all applications. Number 2. Warn 103N250 VR Evo 8 Electric 12V DC Winch. This standard-duty winch with a steel cable and 8,000 pounds pulling capacity offers optimal functionality for 2-door Jeeps and lighter SUVs, making it ideal for everyday pulls. Its design prioritizes both performance and reliability to meet diverse pulling needs. The potent series wound motor equipped with a planetary gear train makes the high pulling capacity possible. One of the standout features of this winch is the high-performance Albright contactor, which ensures maximum reliability during winching activities. The control packs are designed for flexibility and can be relocated for low-profile installations, enhancing the winch's adaptability to various setups. The winch's construction boasts an IP68 rated waterproof rating, ensuring durability even in challenging weather conditions. Number 3. Superwinch 1,595N200 Tiger Shark 9A 512 VDC Winch. Featuring a weather-sealed 5.2 HP motor, this winch is engineered to withstand the rigors of various environmental challenges, including rain, snow, and blowing dust. The motor's weather-sealed design reduces the risk of damage, ensuring consistent and reliable performance even in adverse conditions. The same level of protection is extended to the weather-sealed solenoid, further safeguarding the winch from the elements. The winch comes with a heavy-duty 12-foot rubber hand-held remote with a field-proven design, offering effortless switching between winching operations. The remote's robust construction ensures it can handle demanding use while providing ease of control. The winch's thoughtful design extends to its ergonomically shaped free spool control. This feature is easy to grip and effortless to operate, enhancing user comfort and convenience during the winching process. Number 4. Warn 8070-800M 8000 Series Electric 12V Winch. The Warn 8070-800M 8000 Series Electric Winch is arguably the most reliable and long-lasting option we include on our list of the best trailer winch. Including 100 feet of Warn Spydra synthetic rope enhances the capabilities of this winch, offering an extended reach for various pulling scenarios. With an impressive pulling capacity of 8,000 pounds, this winch demonstrates its strength and suitability for various applications. The winch's user-friendly design also includes a rubberized ergonomic pistol grip remote control handle that is resistant to weather and mud. This feature adds to the winch's durability and enhances user comfort and control during winching operations. The significant pulling capacity and high-speed motor surely highlight its reliable performance. With a weather and mud-resistant remote control handle, this winch caters to functionality and user comfort. Number 5. Feared ATVTV Winch. We are bringing yet another budget choice for those who are looking for a basic trailer winch for simpler jobs. And for that, we have chosen the affordable option from Feared. This electric winch boasts an impressive pulling capacity of up to 500 pounds, setting it up for powerful applications. It has a 3-stage planetary gear train with a 166:1 ratio and a 2.2 HP output permanent magnet motor, ensuring both faster and quieter performance, elevating its effectiveness. It also has a dynamic braking system and clutch, enhancing the convenience of free spooling. Coming to the product's durability, this winch features a powder-coated aluminum hawse fairlead and a galvanized steel hook. The winch's IP67 rating guarantees protection from immersion up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, further bolstering its resilience. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.